My name is Geert Chielens. I'm within Brussels Airport Company. I'm actually the e-commerce lead. Within the industry, we're known for operational excellence. On the passenger side, we kind of tend to differentiate and really tend to be a people-oriented airport, meaning very much focusing on experiences and giving a human touch to the airport. It's part of a broader ambition, which is basically creating an end-to-end digital passenger journey, and obviously Commerce Cloud fits in that passenger journey. What was very important to us that we had a partner which was not just executing what we were asking, but was thinking along with us. We really wanted to have people knowledgeable about the products, but that were able to think again in function of business value, and was having a partner that was stepping into the same philosophy, and that's really what it's turned out to be. It's a close collaboration, it's teamwork.
There's a certain style of customer and their approach to projects that really enable a marketplace solution to go live in 3 months. And some of the key ones here are, really it's truly about partnership. EPAM and Brussels Airport, in conjunction with SAP, we all have each other's backs. And that's what really allows you to accelerate the solution delivery. When it comes down to actually implementation or testing or just releasing, right, everyone understands what that goal is and is able, right, to get it live very quickly. Despite the fact that we went live in 3 months, we're not just starting with a 3-month objective in mind. It's really about the long-term vision, about the intelligent enterprise that we're trying to achieve here. And because we understand what that long-term vision is, we can then narrow it down to what is it we're going to go live with that MVP within the first 3 months, and really lay a proper foundation so it's not a house of cards that's going to fall over when we really need to expand and grow amongst the solution.
What really made us select SAP as a technology provider is the fact that we felt that both on a functional level, but in combination with the accelerator, there was lots of out-of-the-box reuse, which would help us really to move forward. That was one aspect, kind of the short term. If we were kind of looking at the midterm / long term, the fact that the breadth of the solution stack, how it's evolving with kind of current best practices within the market, and also the fact is kind of the pre-integration of most of the products, and it's part of we really see SAP as a solution provider that is helping us to establish that digital end-to-end passenger journey. So it's the full life cycle of the products. We are interacting with our passengers directly, and we work in partnership with our retailers, which is brand new for the airport, is how to engage directly but with a transaction focus, and how to be relevant. So the idea is really to bring products and services as part of that journey, and that's been a whole part of the learning. When is that moment of truth? When is that decision going to be taken? How do we present the products? How do we make it most convenient, and so on? The solution, the advantage is that it's been really omni-channel or across the various different channels, and that we start with something that is online and that we're pushing it throughout all of the other channels. So we truly believe that it helps us being more relevant to the passengers, that it helps us getting some passenger insights, and that it helps us in creating some new products which we currently don't have operated within the cloud, that was pretty fast to set up, and that we basically can rely on an SAP Commerce Cloud roadmap, which helps us in focusing on the really important things, not so much on the integration, but much more on the creation of the passenger value. In whatever we offer to our passenger, we really want to do what we're doing today as being a human touch airport. We want to create some experiences and extend it into the marketplace. The partnership is really the word. Ongoing discussions, and where it's not just about products, but it's also about having discussions how the products can fit our needs. A constant conversation and interaction that we see throughout. So it's something where we see lots of responsiveness whenever we come with certain topics. So partnership is literally the word.